In this video, I am going to tell you about an essay and its types. Watch till end and don't skip the video. So, let's see what is an essay. An essay is an organized piece of writing that focuses on a single topic. It is organized around a general idea or thesis. So, an essay is a focused piece of writing designed to inform or persuade people. There are different types of essays, but they are often defined in four categories that are narrative, descriptive, expository, argumentative essays. A narrative essay tells us about a story. A descriptive essay creates a picture in your head. An expository essay explains something in detail. And a persuasive essay wants the audience to agree to a point. A basic essay consists of three main parts that are introduction, body, and conclusion. Number one, introduction. In introduction paragraph, we identify the topic and its purpose. We orientate the reader and write the thesis, statement, or main idea. Number two, body. There can be several paragraphs in the body of the essay, depending on the length of the assignment. The body of the essay provides more detailed information about the topic. It includes examples. They can be about statistics, graphs, tables, charts to support ideas, and it also analyzes the evidence. Number three, conclusion. At the end of essay, we restate thesis statement. They summarize main points and include final insights and recommendations. If you want to watch more, do subscribe, like and share and press bell icon to notified for the latest videos. That's all for today. Thank you students. I hope you understand well. Meet you in next video. Allah Hafiz.